Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuse to check in case your front wipers are not working. Now this video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Now this is a 2014 like I said, and there was a facelift in 2015, but I still believe the location of these fuses will be the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. And the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. Now to remove the cover, there's like a tab here on the top. You want to press it and pull up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and here at the bottom this red piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's gonna be fuse number F18, which is this 20 amp fuse located right here. Now if this fuse proves to be good, then you want to dig deeper. You want to check the front wipers switch, and you want to check the front wipers motor and the wiring towards it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.